back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
They're going to get ready to rock and roll here for some hot lap action. That's going to be, let's see, you got Colby Kimbrough out there in the 151 machine. Well, we're going to get ready to rock and roll here tonight. I see Ryan Smith in that number 4. You have the 19P. That's going to be Matthew Porter from the Porter Services machine. The Chesney Logistics number 5 is going to be also down on the backstretch here. Ryan Smith in the 4B. He'll be going on as hot laps are going to be ready to go as we got our American All-Star Series hot laps underway as the green flags wave here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Hot laps here in Natural Bridge as they're going to start taking the green flag. Times will start kicking up here as we get everything rolling. As laps are starting to come away, Matthew Porter going to lead them off. Joshua Chesney with a 16.984. Kyle Hardy out there. Colby Kimbrough now is going to be the top of the boards with a 16.582. 16.582 so far. Ryan Smith now on the top of the board for hot lap qualifying. For hot laps here for the American All-Star Series. Great battle and already racetracks already looking mighty racy it is. So give a big shout out to the Natural Bridge Speedway as checkered flag waves for the first round of qualifying, or hot laps. So is our second round of hot laps going to be coming out here for the American All-Star Series. I believe that's going to be Joe Brown at number 26 machine. AJ Hicks in the 64 rod. The last time I saw AJ was at Willard Speedway, that awesome racer at Willard in that SBR number 64. Trevor Sides in the PPM Racing Products number 73 machine for the Jack Frost. Going to be there as well here this afternoon. As we got a couple of other drivers. I see a number 14 machine going to start be rolling in front of me. I'm looking for that number. Sorry, there's like 44 American All-Star Series late models showing up here tonight. As I don't have any number on that. That'll be Jack Brown in that number 26 machine. Seeing a couple of other cars I'm not quite too familiar with here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Again, $10,000 to win. I mean, this is the only place that's running the 604 late models. Couple 602 late models also in here as well as we're going to get ready to go for our second round of hot laps. Our quick time overall will be Ryan Smith with a 16.361 at this time. You got Colby Kimbrough there with the second quick with a 16.503. It'll be Matthew Porter with a 16.510, Scott Sweeney, and Bryce Smith. Your top 5 going into this one as green flag is back out here for the second round for the American All-Star Series hot laps. Hot laps continue to roll around here at the Natural Bridge Speedway for the American All-Star Series. So far, looking at a few lap times coming around as AJ Hicks with a 16.907, Trevor Sides with a 16.771, Norman Dudley Jr. out there, Jack Brown with a 16.470, good enough for second quick at this time. Couple of other drivers, Spencer Apple with 16.960 coming up on the boards as Jack Brown's going to be saying he can go quick time. We'll see what he does. He will not go any faster with that 16.470. 16.470 this time. Checkered flag waves for the second round of hot laps here for the American All-Star Series here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. So far, Ryan Smith overall, still your overall quick time in hot laps here for the American All-Star Series. Street Stocks, you'll be up next. Street Stocks hot laps, you'll be up next. The field is starting to come out here to play. I believe that's Jennings at number 15. I see Apple in that number 12 machine out here as well. Brayson Fulton going to be joining us here in the number 6 machine. Tyler Hoy in the number 71T. He got his actually first ever American All-Star Series win at the Mountain Motor Speedway for the first time ever in Kentucky as well. There's your current point leader, and that yellow spoiler has not gone off that car all year long. It's the 002 from the Tyler Arrington going to be joining us as we're going to get ready for more hot laps here tonight as we are rolling on with it. As the 09, Michael Leach will be joining us, the Super Late Model driver. Leach in the 09 down on the backstretch. White flag in the air already. Looking at some of the lap times starting to roll as it's still Ryan Smith out there with a 16.361. So far, your quick time overall, Jack Brown and company as checkered flag waves. And I have no new times to show. Couple new times. Ryan Adams now is starting Brayson Fulton, 5th quick with a 16.519. As you got Tyler Arrington, 2nd quick with a 16.381. As Ryan Smith is just 2/10 faster at this time. So far, Ryan Smith hold it down. Tyler Arrington making the way through middle of 3 and 4. Can he make it better? 1/10 of a second between him and Ryan Smith. Ryan Smith still holds here for hot laps. Michael Leach is with a 16.641, 9th quick overall. Ryan Adams with that as well. Brayson Fulton going to stay 7th quick. Tyler Hoy's going to stay 10th quick. Tyler Arrington will stay 2nd quick here at this time for your American All-Star Series hot laps. And if you guys look, I got Colton Stanley in that number 30 machine. How about the 00? That's going to be Tyler Bear going to be joining us on the front stretch. I got a 7A machine. I'm looking. I believe that's going to be Corey Allman. I see the number 17 from CVR. That's going to be Hayden Cardwell. Cardwell's got 2 wins on the series this year. He's got a couple of other big series wins as well. I think he just won $30,000 at one place over the week as well. So Hayden Cardwell is always one to watch. Shows up when the big money shows up, and indeed he does. John Regario Jr. going to be joining us in the number 44. He's fresh off his 602 win at Charlotte Speedway. We'll see anybody else I can pick off here as the scoring timing is kind of malfunctioning for me real quick. I saw Joel Jennings maybe out there on the Speedway in that number 65. Indeed, he's in that number 2 machine, or 65 machine. Sorry about that. As we're going to get ready to roll here, I know Hayden Cardwell on the number 17. Me and Hayden actually used to be big iRacing guys back in the day. I was more of a broadcaster type of thing, and Cardwell was just winning everything you can see on the iRacing side of things. So it's really good to see some of the drivers from the virtual world come to the real-life world as well. As we're going to have the green flag, we're ready to go for our next session of American All-Star Series Pro Late Models as late models doing late models things. They always ignore the flagman sometimes. There's a little bit of piece of debris off of turn number 4. And it looks like we'll try this again. Thank you. So I just got word that the Street Stocks and the Pure Stock Championships have already been decided as we're rolling on with the American All-Star Series. More hot laps as Tyler Bear and company will lead them through the field. So far, the quickest time overall will be Ryan Smith with a 16.361, and Tyler Arrington is 2nd. It'll go Jack Brown, your top 3 for hot laps at this time for the American All-Stars. Again, 44 check in here at the Natural Bridge Speedway for $10,000 to win. Justin Williams, your new quick time with a 16. Scratch that, a new quick time with a 16.286 with John Regario Jr. Last time John Regario Jr. was here, he took $10,000 to win. He's looking to double up as he's your new quick time overall with a 16.286. Great side-by-side battle, and coming off a 3 and 4 for hot laps as checkered flag waves as it'll go to John Regario Jr., your new quick time at a 16.286. Checkered flag in the air for this session of hot laps, and we got a few more yet to go as the car's going to make their way to the exit. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause for John Regario Jr., number 44, as he's your new quick time with a 16.286. Tyler Arrington, how about the G4, Trent Ivy, 5th quick overall with a 16.410. So the times are definitely starting to get a little bit faster as a little more wear starts to get on the speedway. A little bit of slick in turn 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The track is really going to start to get slickened off as this should be your final round of American All-Star Series Hot Laps. Street stock action. Hot Laps for the Street Stocks. You are up next. See if I can pick somebody out here. I know that double OT of Kendall Tucker. I know he's got a sweet victory seat. That's a Chris Ferguson product, and he's from BHR 55 on that 00 machine. I see the number 10H of Stephen Harrison, as he just watched, I believe, as his son out there earlier in the Mini All-Star Series. As we're ready to go, I see Travis Denning, Samuel Bryant, Austin Yarbrough, Kendall Tucker, Philip Ramirez in the number 21P, and Billy Bleacher in that number 21 as we're ready to go. Green flag in the air. Brand new car there for Philip Ramirez out of Ohio. Little slicey and dicey off of 3 and 4. They put a new carburetor on, maybe to try to get some little bit of a step onto that race car, as so far as we have time starting to make their way. Nobody coming close at this time with the John Regario Jr. 16.286 at this time. Billy Bleacher, 15 quick overall this time. A couple of other lap times coming up as checkered flag is already in the air for the hot laps. Kendall Tucker, 12th quick with a 16.594. As American All-Star Series hot laps are coming to a close here for the Natural Bridge Speedway. As Austin Yarbrough going to be 20th quick with a 16.704 that last lap, and that'll do it here for the American All-Star Series hot laps, as John Regario Jr. will be overall quick time, they say, with a 16.286. You'll have Justin Williams with a 16.306 and Ryan Smith with a 16.361, Tyler Arrington with a 16.381, and the G4 Trent Ivy with a 16.410. That'll do it for your hot laps. We go. Maybe track conditions wasn't up to par, as we're going to re-rack and we're going to have another session of hot laps here for the American All-Star Series. So far, the time to beat will be John Regario Jr. with a 16.286. As green flag is back out here for some more hot lap action. As Matthew Porter, number 19, is working that outside shelf. He'll see the white flag a couple times starting to come up on my board. As Matthew Porter was 16.756. At this time, he improved here a little bit, but nobody close to John Regario's time with a 16.286 at this time. Checkered flag waves here for Matthew Porter, and Ryan Smith will go 22nd quick. It'll go Matthew Porter 17 quick. You'll have Kyle Hardy 13 quick. And it'll go to Cole Kimbrough, now going to be 14 quick at this time. As checkered flag waves here for the American All-Star Series hot laps, and that shall be it. Street stock should be coming up next. I got a couple other late models sitting here on the inside here. Not exactly sure they're going to come out on the speedway for extra hot laps or not. Race control is not telling me what is going on with that extra session of hot laps.